Happy freezing Friday, WRCC fans. And we've got a special weekend treat for you. We're having to leave it. It's a first, another West Riding first. I'm having to leave it running because it's so cold. It's -3 here at West Riding HQ. So, a Christmas cracker, new arrival, 1953, Cheesgrater grill, split screen, Minor 2-door, finished in black wheels, good chrome. It's come through the workshop, so the paintwork's nice because it's been done partly done at West Riding. Reconditioned wheels, upgraded to a 1098 engine because the 803 were absolutely useless. So now you've got the best of both worlds. You've got the stunning good looks and quality finish of an earlier car, but you've got a 1098 engine. As you can hear, she runs nice and smoothly. Pleasure to drive. The paint's great, but I'm not going to say it's perfect because, as you all know, I never describe anything as perfect. But lovely quality of finish on it. As I say, it's got some reconditioned wheels on, so they've been blasted and powder coated for longevity. All the rubbers are good. Door reveals all nice and clean and good. Art Deco dash, which is my favourite out of all the Minors. Lovely leather seats, again in great condition, not perfect but really nice, as is the rest of the interior. The back seat's all good and the headlining looks like it's an original one, in good order. Carpets look new, showing 52242 miles. So the inside's lovely, the outside's lovely, the underside's nice and solid. I'll just pop the bonnet and then we'll have a look. Engine bay's nice and clean on her. Pleasure to drive. Passed the old bumpy road test this morning. It's a frosty, icy bumpy road test. We had a bit of wheel spin coming up there, but nice and smooth, and we had enough power to get up without a problem. So as you can see, engine bay is nice and clean. 1098 engine there, alternator upgraded. Inner wings, tie plates, bulkhead, nothing to report there. All nice and clean, nice and presentable. I mean, this car, the quality of it, the finish of it, you know, you could drive it around the countryside, seaside, enjoy it in the summer. Take it to any local show with pride, and I'm sure everybody would be all over it. It'd grab loads of attention. So, boot lid, no frilly edge there. The aperture's all nice and clean. Boot floor, again, all nice and clean, no rust or anything to report. The inner wings, all good. The wings on it are good. It's got the proper high cut wings on, like a split screen should, if you know what you're on about. It hasn't got the later ones on. Just stand back so you can see her. She's on at 10,495, which I think is an absolute bargain for this car. In fact, it's too cheap in my opinion, but as it's Christmas and the season of goodwill, we'll let you have a bit of a Christmas present from WRCC. So, full details are going to be available at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. Telephone for further details, as always, 01422881221. Ask for me, Dan, in sales, and make an appointment to come and see you. Or you can send an email at inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. This is going to be on our YouTube channel. If you let us know what you think of this car in the comments box. Also, the pictures and video are going to be on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm going to go back inside now and try get warm because I am absolutely frozen. My fingers are hanging off. Cheers, guys.